In this video, I'm going to show you how to get morel mushrooms in Once Human. Now, differently to all the other seeds and all the other things you can harvest inside Once Human, these seeds for these mushrooms actually can be found on the ground, so you won't be able to harvest them while walking around the world. However, you can find them in different locations throughout the map. Now, where I find them the most is if I open up the map over here, is in the securement silo in the red sands area, which is the securement silo theta. Now this area over here and the securement silo as well can drop a lot of those seeds. Okay, now in those storage lockers and containers and different things, you can find those in abundance. Okay, so if you're looking for those mushrooms, which you can use for crafting different very powerful foods, you can definitely get them inside the securement silo theta. Now another effective method would be to basically search morphic crates. Now if you know what morphic crates are, you know. If you don't, these are those crates you can get while roaming around the map, and this little kind of dot on the back of my backpack starts blinking. That means the morphic crate is close, and you can open them once you find them, and then you will get those seeds. Now, once you get the seeds, once you obtain them, what you will need is basically this planter box over here, and you'll have to grow them from scratch to be able to get them. And the way you can do this is by opening your memetics, and then in here you want to go inside logistics, and you first want to unlock planting, compost bins, and planter boxes. Now once you do that, just place down a planter box, and then you'll be able to simply kind of plant those mushrooms, morel mushrooms, and then harvest them once they're ready. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.